Hi everybody, my name's Casey Coleman, UK guest artist for Goldwell, and today I'm going to be showcasing Colour of the Year Midnight Berry. Midnight Berry is made up of saturated purple and deep blue, and I can't wait to put that to use on my beautiful model Natasha. As you can see, I've already prepped my model's hair using Oxycur Platin and 20 vol. Now let's get on to the fun part. Today I'll be enhancing Natasha's dark hair by using a global application of COLORANCE, and then on the front pre-lighten sections here we'll be creating our Colour of the Year shade Midnight Berry using ELUMEN. Let's get to it. I've taken two triangular sections on the front of Natasha's head here, and this is where we're going to be placing our Midnight Berry formula. This shade of violet is rich and complex, and it's inspired by the midnight sky. Drawing inspiration from enchanting jewel tones found in nature, Midnight Berry captures the essence of glamour, allure, and elegance. Its deep, multi-dimensional hue consists of an inner core of darkness and a rebellious spirit, evoking a sense of mystery and sophistication. So this is my finished version of Colour of the Year Midnight Berry. I hope you love it because me and Tasha are absolutely obsessed. Don't forget to tag us in your creations of the Colour of the Year. And if you want to see more videos like this, like, comment and subscribe. And we'll see you soon.